Today, with more and more in-seed technology and the resulting increase in value of every single seed, it's simply logical to focus on supporting on-seed performance. Here we are in Méréville, 50 kilometers south of Paris, in the heart of Europe. And actually, we're in the breadbasket of France. Every day we feel the challenges of farmers around us. For us, performance really is a key driver. Yeah, here on site, around 40 people are fully dedicated to one single but crucial aspect of all of this: coatings. We develop and produce cutting-edge technology that improves the performance and appearance of treated seeds. And we thereby make the life of our customers much easier and safer. Want to know how all this works? Follow me. A full-blown research and development team is in place here. Their work focused on the creation of new film coatings. They share their passion for coatings with the entire Bayer SeedGrowth community. Merci. Almost every kind of seed processing has to deal with dust control. It's a well-known fact that reducing dust emissions improves operator and environmental safety, because what you may lose with these tiny particles are the active ingredients you so carefully put to enhance your seed's performance. So what can you see here?
Oh, even better. What can't we see?
Dust. And I'm sure this is something you can tell us all about.
Okay, come with me. We use an internationally established test, the Heubar test, to measure the dust emissions. This test even detects the finest particles, so that the most sensitive to drift. For example, these samples come from coated seeds, which contains much less dust than these samples coming from seeds without any film coatings. Film coating significantly reduces the dust emission. It's one of the major benefits.
And this benefit brings a twofold advantage. First, everybody involved is better protected because we can now reduce dust emissions by up to 95%. And at the same time, the seed is better protected as well. By keeping the active ingredient on the seed, it is much harder for pest and fungus to become a real pain. On its way to the soil, a seed will definitely come in contact with machines. A seed's ability to easily and fluidly pass through this process, avoiding sticking and caking, is called flowability. You think coatings can help here too? Absolutely. Coatings significantly improve flowability. And yes, we can even measure this effect. By default, we perform computer-assisted flowability tests to improve this property in our new film coatings. So as you can see, coatings aren't just like glue. A good flowability can bring time gains during the application process, and for sure, accuracy during planting as well. What we see here is a seed drill simulator, the sowing bench. Here we test what happens under real field conditions. We can use pneumatic planters or mechanical drillers. All this is done to make sure our portfolio covers the wide range of local sowing practices. Colors. There is no more obvious attribute to distinguish one thing from another, and a treated from a non-treated seed. But collars are also a remarkable tool, since they allow a seed to be unmistakably associated with its distinctive attributes. Take for example Peridium Silver, one of our film coatings. It has a shiny surface finish that says everything about the high value underneath. It is the same high value that deserves the very best shield. Film coatings deliver perfect spotless coverage of every single seed because we don't want uneven distribution of the active ingredient on the seed. And we don't want the protective shield to break. We want the seeds to develop into strong and healthy crops, thriving to their full genetic potential.
I couldn't have said it better.
I love this part.
Definitely.
And there is one more thing.
Will you show it to us?
Yeah. Come on. None of our film coatings leaves our facility without our quality control team giving its permission. These people here ensure compliance with the IBAYA quality standard for the large quantity of film coating we produce and distribute around the world. In this whole facility, a cross-functional team develop and actually produce new film coating. And ultimately, it's all about seed performance, because ensuring the performance of seeds for folks beyond our facility, indeed for everyone working with seeds, means protecting an investment. And that is what everyone here is working for.
You're absolutely right. Thanks.
Bayer. Science for a better life.